In addition to the reported demise of the $125 million mansion of Luminar's CEO Austin Russell in California's Pacific Palisades, due to the ongoing Los Angeles wildfires. Luminar has been gaining attention again due to talk of potential plans where Luminar and NVIDIA would integrate Luminar's technologies into autonomous vehicles. Such talk has been driven by NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang's keynote address at CES, where he emphasized the importance of LiDAR technology in autonomous vehicles and confirmed his company would continue to use it. Spurring renewed optimism, Luminar and NVIDIA would progress previously announced plans to integrate Luminar LiDAR technologies into autonomous vehicles. While Luminar wasn't directly mentioned, investors bet on its potential inclusion that led to a surge in the company's stock. NVIDIA announced it had selected Luminar's LiDAR tech as part of its autonomous vehicle platform back in 2021. However, since then, there were no recent updates on their partnership. The potential of such a catalyst comes in the face of Luminar's significant operational challenges, including rapid cash burn and weak profit margins, along with a long-standing downtrend in its stock price. Yet Luminar's position as an innovator in the autonomous vehicle space continues to attract investors looking for long-term opportunities. For more on Luminar and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.